Hello, my name's Bob Willis and welcome to Defect of the Month, brought to you by the NPL Defect database. Now, the NPL Defect database is basically a collection of photographs of different types of defects that we've seen in the industry, and we try to give you examples or reasons why particular defects have occurred and hopefully some corrective action. It's been running for a few years now, and we're always interested in people adding more material to the defect database. Now, the first topic I'd like to talk about is LED technology and LED failures. Now, there is a considerable growth in the use of LED components within the industry, and some of the issues associated with them is matching parts, so making sure that you use parts from the same batch to make sure the output characteristic of the LED meets the requirements. Another issue can be compatibility with materials. Obviously, with the majority of LEDs, we've got a lens, and that lens mustn't be affected in any way by the associated materials used in the manufacturing process, i.e. assembly, and of course during its operation. Another thing we need to consider or look at is conformal coating compatibility. That's a difficult word, I tried hard though, to make sure it doesn't affect the performance of the part. Now, obviously we can mask up some of the LEDs that might be or may have some issues. However, that's not really what we want to be doing. And some of the conformal coating material manufacturers have actually adapted their technology to make sure you can, and it doesn't affect the operation of the LEDs. Now, rework and repair on simple LEDs can be straightforward, very simple. We remove it, we replace it with a new one. But you must keep in mind the characteristics of the part and also the temperature limits on some LEDs. When we go on to the really high powered devices, reflowing the solder interconnections is fairly straightforward and simple. However, when you look at the center termination, which takes all of the power and energy, certainly that dissipates the heat from the package, it can be a real challenge for rework and repair. And it's just as challenging as the most advanced BGA. But when you set up a process, you can overcome that problem. Another thing is moisture content. Now, moisture, just like with other packages, can cause damage when we reflow solder the part. And it can be the so-called popcorn effect, but it also can be expansion of the lens material causing the wire interconnect to fail internally. So look very carefully, look at how you're going to use your LED technology and make sure you read the manufacturer's recommendations.